Hello and welcome to our video on the secret to overcoming social anxiety, tips and techniques for building confidence in social situations. If you struggle with social anxiety, you're not alone. In fact, it's estimated that around 7% of the population deals with this common anxiety disorder. But fear not, because in this video, we'll be sharing some tips and techniques that can help you overcome your social anxiety and build confidence in social situations. First, let's talk about what social anxiety is and how it manifests. Social anxiety is a type of anxiety disorder characterized by a fear of being judged or evaluated negatively by others in social situations. This can manifest in a number of ways, such as feeling self-conscious in social situations, avoiding social situations altogether, or struggling to make small talk. If you recognize these symptoms in yourself, you may be dealing with social anxiety. Now, let's move on to the secret to overcoming social anxiety: exposure therapy. This may sound intimidating at first, but bear with us. Exposure therapy is a type of cognitive behavioral therapy that involves gradually exposing yourself to the social situations that trigger your anxiety in a controlled and safe environment. By facing your fears head-on, you can learn to cope with and eventually overcome your social anxiety. But exposure therapy isn't the only tool in your arsenal when it comes to overcoming social anxiety. Here are a few other tips and techniques that can help. 1. Practice mindfulness. Focusing on the present moment can help reduce anxiety and improve your overall well-being. 2. Seek support. Whether it's through therapy, support groups, or trusted friends and family, having a support system can make a big difference in your journey to overcome social anxiety. 3. Use positive self-talk. Negative self-talk can fuel anxiety, so try to replace negative thoughts with more positive ones. 4. Gradually challenge yourself. Don't try to tackle your social anxiety all at once. Start by facing small challenges and gradually work your way up. 5. Take care of your physical health. Exercise, a healthy diet, and getting enough sleep can all improve your overall well-being and help reduce anxiety. With these tips and techniques in mind, you can start to overcome your social anxiety and build confidence in social situations. It won't be easy, and it may take time, but by taking small steps and seeking support, you can overcome this common anxiety disorder and live a happier, more fulfilling life. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips and techniques have been helpful in your journey to overcome social anxiety. Remember, you're not alone, and with the right tools and support, you can build confidence and thrive in social situations.